Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can configure subtitles in Tubi. So guys, the first step is to just go ahead and open any series or movies. And now once you open them, right under this lower bar where you can see options like play, the rewind button, the sound button. Now this is the subtitles button. So if you want them on English, just turn them on in English. There's also the advanced settings option. Go there. Once you're here, now you can see the font size, background, so it's your choice completely to arrange them or configure them. So guys, there you go. Now just go ahead and tap on save and you have successfully configured your subtitles on Tubi. So guys, that's how you configure subtitles on Tubi. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.